Hi, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Maxwell from Ghana, and today I'm also going to educate you a little bit about the outbreak of coronavirus and how we are going to go about it. We already know the extent to which coronavirus has claimed a lot of lives worldwide. For Italy, for China, for Indonesia, etc. We all have seen the large number of people who have perished. It isn't good at all. So in this case, I'm going to suggest that you all do this, because in my part of the world, that is Ghana, my country, I have been doing this, and I realize this is going to be the best solution. I'll be glad if this could be shared worldwide for people to practice. Yes. So here's the solution. We use onion. Onion can be found everywhere. Every corner on this planet, whether in America, whether in Europe, Asia, whether in Africa, whether in South America, anywhere you can find onion. It's very common in our kitchens. Onions are very good for controlling the coronavirus. So you peel them and put them in bowls, and these are going to work in a bacteriological method. The virus will automatically be attracted to the onion and settle down on the onion, causing the onion to turn black by the next day. When you leave them for 24 hours. This means each and every morning you will have to change the onion, since they will turn black. Now, a microscopic experiment carried out by myself proved that viruses, bacteria, and all sorts of pathogens do settle on the surfaces of onion. And when they do settle on the surfaces of the onions, they try to react on the onion, but they end up dying. Yes. So I'll be glad if this could be spread for people all across the globe to practice this. You just practice it for a week and you will thank me. There's no drug anywhere. This is going to help control the coronavirus. So the onion turns out to suck the virus and germs, then focus it into the intracell, then digest it in the vacuole and then kill it. This is a simple strategy. They become inactive and dead. The coronavirus itself, they become inactive and dead in an attempt to react on the onion. So why don't you try this? I'll be very happy if you could also try it in your home. This is no Herculean task. Just buy a lot of onions and keep in your kitchen. When you wake up early in the morning, just peel the onions, leave them in a bowl and leave them in the corners of your bedrooms and then your sitting rooms. The viruses which are supposed to land on the surfaces of your skin and then react to your body and cause harm to you will rather get attracted to the onion. They will settle down on the surface of the onion in a bacteriological method, and then they will attempt to react on the onion. Thereby they end up dying or become inactive. This is going to help share for everyone across the globe to practice this, and it's going to help. This is a simple control for coronavirus. I will be glad, very, very glad. I am not a doctor, but I'm telling you this. It works 100%. Thank you.